How to turn the Touch 2 on and off. To turn the Touch 2 on, press the tick key once. To turn the Touch 2 off completely, scroll to the power icon and hold the tick key for approximately 4 seconds. The setup, power and clock icons will appear on screen. The setup and clock icons will then disappear, leaving only the power icon showing. Once this happens, wait for a further 10 seconds for the Touch 2 screen to go blank. The display and heating output will then be turned off. How to set the program. The Touch 2 is automatically programmed to weekday-weekend programming, which allows 4 on-off times for the weekday and 4 on-off times for the weekend. In most cases, you will not need to adjust this default setup. However, the Touch 2 does offer other programming modes, including 7-day programming, 24-hour programming, and operating without any programming. To change the default mode to an alternative option, follow these steps. Use the left-right key to scroll to the power on-off. Press and hold the tick button for 3 seconds. Setup will be highlighted. Now press the tick key once. Use the up-down keys to scroll through features until you reach feature 12. Use the left-right keys to adjust to the desired feature setting. Press tick to confirm and exit the setup menu. How to set the mode. The Touch 2 can be used in Mode 1 as a programmable thermostat or Mode 2 as a time clock. Mode 1 as a programmable thermostat is the default setting. Please note that switching between Modes 1 and Mode 2 will factory reset the Touch 2. To change between the programmable thermostat or the time clock modes, follow these steps. Use the left-right keys to scroll to the power icon. Press and hold the tick button for 3 seconds. Setup will be highlighted. Now press and hold the tick key for 10 seconds. Use the left-right keys to scroll between the modes. Mode 1, the programmable thermostat. Mode 2, the time clock. Press tick to confirm your selection. The Touch 2 will then revert to the main display for the selected mode. How to lock the Touch 2. The Touch 2 has a keypad lock facility. To activate the lock, follow these steps. Use the left-right keys to scroll to hold and press tick for 10 seconds. The display will show 4 zeros and you will need to enter a 4-digit PIN number. Use the up-down keys to enter the first 2 digits. Press tick to confirm. Use the up-down keys to enter the second 2 digits. Press tick to confirm. The display will return to the main screen and display the keypad lock indicator. The keypad lock indicator is only displayed when the lock is activated. To unlock the Touch 2, press tick once. The display will show 4 zeros and the 4-digit PIN will need to be entered. Use the up, down and tick key to enter the first 2 digits. Use the up, down and tick key to enter the second 2 digits. The display will unlock and return to main screen. How to factory reset the Touch 2. To reset the device to factory default settings, follow these steps. Use the left-right keys to scroll to the power icon. Press and hold tick to turn the display off. Setup will be highlighted. Press and hold the tick key for 10 seconds. All of the icons on the display will appear for 2 seconds. Then the number 1 or number 2 will begin flashing. Use the left-right keys to scroll between modes. The relevant section will flash. Press tick to confirm your selection. the Touch 2 will revert to the main display screen for the selected mode. Factory Reset will cancel all of the parameters that were previously selected during the setup. These settings will need to be re-entered after a factory reset. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video useful.